So we talk about burns with Shiba Inu a lot, and we also talk about why Shiba Inu burns don't drastically impact the price, at least in the short term. And you today recently addressed this, talked about it in an article, and it's a lot of the same things we've said in the past, but if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe because we're always talking about everything related to SHIB and pretty much every altcoin out there. Anytime there's major news, we're covering macroeconomic factors. We've got you covered right here every single day. When it comes to burning SHIB, though, we're really waiting for Shibarium, right? Because that is the first built-in burn mechanism that could burn up to trillions of SHIB per year. We just don't know yet, right? It's all about how much it's going to be used. I think it's going to be very much dictated by which kind of market we're in, right? Here's the one thing we do know. We haven't seen retail money really come back into crypto. We've seen a lot of the same money cycling out in and out of different coins, different projects, different investments. Not a lot of new money has come in yet, which is okay. That's a good thing because we've seen Bitcoin even, double in price, go up 90%. All of that while we haven't seen a lot of new money come into crypto, right? I think a lot of the money that were in altcoins is kind of shifting over to Bitcoin as a less risky investment, but it doesn't mean we won't have another big adoption event, right? We will have that as soon as the markets come back, and slowly but surely inflation getting under control is definitely helping us out there. Now, in terms of the burns, though, let's come back to this because I thought you today did a really nice job of kind of talking about why we don't see the big impact just yet. And SHIB Burn platform, which of course accumulates a ton of details, all details on every transaction related to SHIB burns, had something to put out there. And it says, we wanted to address some misconceptions about burns and price. This applies to SHIB and many other tokens as well. A common question that comes our way is why isn't the price moving after quote unquote massive burns? And they say at this moment, they're going to continue on here, but I can fill it in because I've checked this out. Right now, burns don't have the impact because the supply is still massive, right? Now, over time, as that supply decreases and demand increases, these burns are going to have a much bigger impact, right? So the SHIB Burn Twitter account has addressed some of these misconceptions because I see it too, in comment sections. I hear people on Twitter that get really frustrated, right? Why aren't these burns having a huge impact just yet on the price? The answer is they haven't yet, but eventually they will, and it stacks up over time. It's not a catalyst you feel right away, right? It's not one of those 50% price pumps that we've seen SHIB do on some big news. It's not that. This is a long-term catalyst, if you will. Now, if we go over to SHIB Burn's Twitter account, we can kind of see what they do. If you guys don't follow them over there, amazing, amazing spot to kind of just track all the various burns, hourly updates every single time on the hour. They tell you exactly what the price is, the market cap, the total supply, and the total SHIB burnt within that last hour. So this was a really good post. And you can see here, it's burning, but the price is not moving. So check this out. The price isn't solely determined by burns. A token can burn 90% of their supply, but if there's no demand for that token, then it holds no value. And again, right now we're missing the demand. Supply and demand have always been the key factors for price movement, and this principle has held true for centuries. For instance, if the demand for the token surges, more people start buying it. As a result, the available supply reduces due to the burning process, creating scarcity. So again, these burns are going to have a much bigger impact, and they did have a much bigger impact when we were in a previous bull run back in 2021. They go on to say here, the top 100 accounts, excluding the burn address for SHIB, hold nearly 400 trillion of the token supply, which is crazy, mostly by centralized exchanges. Keep in mind, there are over 1.3 million total addresses. Price can still go up based on demand. Imagine if everyone is holding the entire supply and more people continue to buy, increasing the demand for the token. Centralized exchanges will start looking to buy more. Price goes higher, especially, you guessed it, in a bull market. Now, a token's success doesn't always mean reaching a specific price either, like the 0.01. It's definitely something you'd love to see, we'd all love to see, but many have their own price goals in mind. Some have already took profits because today's price was their price goal. Why not wait and see how things go as more people adopt it, more projects are built, and the cryptocurrency space keeps growing? Rather than waiting for others to take action, why not actively participate or initiate something that contributes to the token? And that is what Shibarium allows all of us to do. We can build on top of this network, right? It says, we strongly disagree with those who claim that burning has no effect without understanding how it actually works. Think of burning as if a whale were trying to buy a massive amount of the token supply, except this whale would never sell. Those tokens remain locked forever, so how can that not have an impact? Again, it's just not an impact you're going to feel today or tomorrow. Dismissing the importance of burning without considering its implications may overlook its significant role in the token's growth and value. A list of the top burns with their corresponding prices on the day of transfer was posted last week. To draw your own conclusions, you could find it under highlights. Since April 5th, 2021, before Vitalik Buterin's burn, the price of SHIB skyrocketed over 1,100%. It has continued to remain consistently above 118% higher than before the burns over these past 2 years. So they go on to say that essentially crypto is still growing, and as we see more and more bull cycles, that these burns will have more and more of a significant impact. And I agree 100% with this sentiment. And I really like that they put this out there because we don't talk about this enough in terms of, yes, it's a catalyst. It's just not a catalyst that you're going to see a 30 to 40 to 50% move when you have a big, massive burn. At least not right now. But time will tell just how impactful these burns will be once we have a few more bull runs under our belt. We've already reduced the supply significantly, and we have a ton of people transacting and utilizing Shibarium. That's what we've got for you in this video. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe as well. We'll see you.